Welcome to Blackjack Special.
Yo, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys. So we're gonna jump right into the video. So yeah guys, we're gonna continue with the catch can kit. We're also end up getting some filters for the breeder, right? So we're gonna try and just put everything together right now. Try and record as much things as I can, and I'll do an explanation at the end if I don't get to record certain things. All right guys, let's just jump right in. Okay, so here we are. Show you guys what we're working on right now. So this is the breeders I ordered from Amazon. Got a little clamp right here. Okay. So the breeder is gonna go right there, as you can see. Right. Gonna get the hose on, clamp that end on, and I'll probably have the breeder sitting somewhere around here. Right. Or even like close to the intake, somewhere there. And we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Here is the hose right here. Oh, it's weird how this one face has like a 90 on it and the other one doesn't. But hey, is what it is, right? Yeah, we still got to figure out too what's in, what's out. But we're gonna do some Google research and try and figure that out after. In the meantime, we're just gonna work on the breeder. So I'm just gonna put this on here and this end, tighten the clamp, put another clamp on that end, tighten it, and have it sitting somewhere around here. That should take care of that. And then we're gonna do the other side, and once we're done with the breeders, we're gonna go ahead and start running the lines for the catch can. All right guys, let's get it. Hey guys, so got the one side in, it's a breeder. So next we're gonna do the same thing for the other side here. And after that, we're gonna get into removing this hose right here. That goes all the way this way and goes into the intake. And obviously we gotta remove the other one right here. And then these are gonna be the ones that are going into the catch can, all right? Okay guys, so we're back here. Here's the cans. So I did end up finding out which side is in, which side is out. So the side that directly dumps the oil into the can is the in, and then the side with the filter is the out. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So, as you can see, so this side will be the in, because that's just directly dumping the oil, and then this side will be the out, all right? So you can take it apart. So I know that this with the tab right here, this little stick or whatever that is the actual in. I think you can screw that off. But yeah, so that's the in, and then we know that other side is the out. And we know the in's gonna be coming from the side here. It's gonna be in, and then to the plenum is gonna be out to the plenum. All right, guys, so let me set up these cans, try and get a good location for them, and we're gonna start running the hoses. Hey guys, so we got this guy in. Now we're gonna remove this guy, remove this, remove this, remove this, and then we can start rerouting the hoses. And then we can start running the hoses into the catch can. Okay. So we got one side in. So we got the in from here, goes to the in, the catch can, and then out goes out to the manifold. Okay, so that's one side we pretty much got done. No, don't watch the tie wrap, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna figure out something later, how to properly mount this thing. But for now, tie wraps will help. You just gotta keep it from like moving around. I'll probably add some more tie wraps to keep it up nice and tight. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put the other one over here, somewhere around here should be fine. So got the catch can on this side, and the driver's side. I got the breeder right here. I just left it like that. Hopefully I did everything right. Same thing on the other side here. Same thing on the passenger side. Okay, so we just got this guy running around here. Boom, boom, boom. To the outside, right? And then we got on the PCV side, boom, coming in. All right, I know this looks a little bit, you know, weird, but this is gonna have to do for now. Just gonna tie wrap this one a little bit better in the middle there. I don't want to have it sitting on the engine like that. And this one here is good for now. And then eventually I'll come and I'll figure something out here where I'm able to clean this up and, you know, make it sit a little bit better in there. Okay guys, we got the car on and running. So hopefully everything's good. Definitely go for a drive after, not today, but another time. I got a lot of shit I got to do. But yeah, guys, that's it. Just a quick install video. Very quick install video for you guys. See, we got most of the dent out. But yeah, guys. Pretty simple. You got the breather right here. You got your catch can. You got your out from the intake going to the out. You got your in from the PCV going in to the inside of the catch can, and obviously do the same thing for the other side. All right, guys. So I think my hood should be able to close. Doesn't look too bad with the red and purple in there. But yeah, guys, so obviously we don't have the Mishimoto one that has the actual bracket that sits in here and perfect. This is what we got, so we gotta do what we gotta do, right? As long as it does the job, it works. That's all I care about, guys. Alright guys, so that was just a quick little install video for you guys with a catch can. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Alright? BlackJackSpecial. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so be safe out there. One love. You know what it is, guys. I'm out.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop.